G'day, how you going? I'm Ian Apples, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where I teach beginners and advanced beginners how to paint. But today's video is a Christmas special video. I just want to wish you a happy Christmas and a wonderful new year for 2023. And also little buddy wants to say hello and Merry Christmas as well.
Yes, Merry Christmas and hello everybody. I can be a gentleman at times.
Thank you, little buddy. He's not such a angry little thing in this video and where he normally is in the behind the scenes. So once again, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for following me on YouTube and supporting my content. It's much appreciated. Where are you from when you're watching this video? Are you got any plans for Christmas and the New Year's? Let me know in the comments below what you plan to do. And also those newcomers, how did you come across my channel and how are you finding it? All right, and all this feedback helps me create the content and put me in the direction where I need to go for you, the other side of the camera, to enjoy this video platform as well. I've got me tall glass of milk there. Well, it's not that tall, it's a little bit short. Also, while I got this opportunity, I'd just like to let people know every 3 weeks I'll be doing my Friday night lives. So what I'm going to start doing is putting a advertisement post on my channel here in the community tab. Go to the community tab below and keep an eye on that, or you will get notified anyway. And I'll also put that in my Facebook group page as well. And if you're not a member of my art group in Facebook, check out the links below as well. It's Ian Apples Art Network. That's where you can show me your artwork, you can tag me in it, ask me a question about it, or any other wonderful person in my group. So once again, myself and little buddy, we want to thank everybody for your support and wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. And once again, if you're not sure about anything, just ask in the comments below. Just write a comment and ask your questions away. All the comments below do get looked at by myself, and I do acknowledge them with a like. That way I know in all the comments that come through my channel here, I know which ones I've already read because I've given them a like. And if you've got a like on your comment, you know I've read it. And if it's a comment that is a question, it also gets printed out and put aside for the next Friday Night Live to be addressed, okay? So once again, thank you for your support and following me. I hope we can have a wonderful 2023 and we'll be creating a lot of art. There will be behind the scenes stuff when it happens with little buddy.
Yeah, don't forget about me, Ian. Don't forget about me.
How can I ever forget about you? And people want to ask little buddy's a figment of my imagination, okay? So it's not an actual being that you could see, it's just his voice.
That's right, it's only my voice.
Exactly. And how old are you, little buddy?
I don't know, you tell me, you're the one that created me.
Oh, okay, well, you're as old as my channel. I think I started in 12, but I never actually started painting till maybe 13, 14 or 15. No, this wasn't built then, so it was about 2015 maybe.
That long ago, eh?
Well, that's how old you are, little buddy. Anyway, little buddy, he will always appear in the bloopers. He used to be in some of my tutorials, but not everyone wants to hear a bit of banter backwards and forwards when they're watching a tutorial, which I understand. You just want to watch the tutorial be created and learn from it. So when behind the scenes is created from that content, I can put it together for the people who do love it. And how that works as well, in this Christmas special, I can use this opportunity to tell you for the next year as well. I film a tutorial which takes many hours and time and process and editing, and anyone out there that does YouTube, they know exactly what I mean. But anyway, the film gets edited together, so it's what you see. It has soft music in it. Some people say turn the music down, but it's just there for an ambience. I'm trying not to have it too loud. In the editing room, when there's content that can create a behind the scenes, I manufacture that and put it together with little buddy, okay? And that is put on my Patreon platform for extra content for my patrons. But once it's sat there for a couple of weeks and I know all the patrons are done with it, well, then I bring it across to YouTube later on. But it's old stuff then, it's old tutorials. New ones have been created since then. So if you want the extra content, hit the link below for patrons as well. So once again, all my tutorials are free to watch. They don't cost you nothing to watch, and any support is always much appreciated.
That's right, I love it because it gives me real food along with the cats.
Yeah, the little buddy and the cats, they get to eat a bit better when I get those little handouts as well. And once again, Merry Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year to everybody. And don't forget to tell me what your plans are for over Christmas, okay? Where you're going. And those newbies, I hope you become a regular and tell me how you came across my YouTube channel, okay? So once again, myself and little buddy, we want to thank everybody for your support and wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year for 2023. Tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.
Yeah, good on you, everybody. See ya next year.
That's little buddy. Uru.